Hi, welcome back to Ashley Welcome Life channel. So this time, guys, my mom is working like she's busy right now. So I need to cook the chicken with broccoli and mushroom. And disclaimer, guys, this is only my version of cooking. Chicken and broccoli and mushrooms. So guys, I'm gonna show you my ingredients. So here, the chicken, little piece of chicken, broccoli, and mushrooms, and soy sauce, garlic. So this is how it looks like. Onions, little pieces of onions. Okay, and of course, guys, you need salt to taste to your food taste better.
Paano masabi?
And pepper. Pepper kita.
Damn!
So guys, we're gonna cook. We're gonna cook now. So keep on watching. So here it is, guys, my kitchen. And this is the stove. It's just turning on. I'm just gonna wait for it like in a minute to heat it up. It's kind of heating it up. Putting in 8, not that high. See the oil, guys. Can you see it? See? And put it like something inside. Now I'm gonna put the garlic. Okay. I have a spoon here. Like this. Like this. I'm kind of scared, guys. Okay. Time to mix. Slow down the heat. 3 and 6. That was the onion, guys, I just put on. Kind of brown. I will wait, guys, until it's golden brown. And put it, and then put the chicken in the. See, it's kind of golden brown. Now it's kind of golden brown now, and now I'm gonna put the chicken. Move this slow. I'm a little scared, guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna put some salt on this meat. There. I'm gonna put it in the side. Then you can mix it up for a minute. There. And I have here, it doesn't really fit, but I just can't find the lid, guys. Okay, guys. It's like kind of bubbling, so I'm gonna mix it. It's not too bad. When you get learn, guys, if it's your first time cooking, it's okay. Even though the oil get like chill, you might get hurt. So ask an adult or your dad, your brother or sister, if you have a sister or brother, you can tell them to help you cook. Don't worry about me, guys. My dad just like in the kitchen. I'm not really alone. So don't worry about me getting hurt. Now guys, I'm gonna put my soy sauce. It's kikoman. Is it a Philippine style thing? No, I don't think so. Okay, now I'm gonna put it until it's brown. Putting on the pork. Oh, I'm in chicken, guys. Let me check for a minute. It just smells weird. It's not the same thing as the Philippines. But it's still good. Is it brown enough? Okay. After mixing it a lot, guys, it's getting browner. Like the chicken is little. It smells so good, guys. I can't even imagine. I will cover this thing again, guys, and see what will happen again. Oh, now it's good. Now I'm gonna get the broccoli. There you go, mushroom, guys. Okay. Where's the mushroom? Now put it all of them. Okay. I'm gonna handle it. And I'm gonna put it. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Junior really likes broccoli. I think Junior's gonna eat some of this. Broccoli is like, they look like trees when you cut them in half. Which kind is it? There. Okay, so I'm gonna cover it. Oh, God. This is the final test, the final one, guys. So I'm gonna put a lot of soy sauce and other ingredients. So you just put the soy sauce. Wish me luck. And salt. Oh, I'm gonna put it in here one. Okay. Okay. I think this is salty now. Oh my god, I'm nervous, guys. Now, I'm gonna put pepper on it. A little pinch, not a lot. Okay. Daddy really likes pepper, so and again, guys, I'm gonna cover it like and then leave like 2 or 1 minute. So and then finished. And now, guys, I'm gonna taste a little and make sure it's good. Okay. Well, here's one of them. It's a little one. Mmm. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it up again. It's really good, guys. Now, guys, I'm gonna turn off the heat because it's ready to eat. And that's how you do it. Perfect! Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I hope to see you again in my next one. Bye!
Few inches later.
Guys, here it is, my dish. I hope you like this video.